Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Really appreciate you guys for coming back again. If you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe down below. That would really help me out a lot. I'd appreciate that. So today I have a bit of a different video. I was approached by a company called Earthlab. They approached me to do a first impressions video on a few of their products. And they've asked me just to try out a few of their products and see how I like them and talk about them a little bit. And hopefully if you do like these products, at the end of the video, I can let you know where you can get them so you can purchase them yourself and give them a go. So basically it's a mineral makeup. So I've just written it down here so I don't forget anything. So it's vegan, it's not tested on animals, no parabens and no toxins, all natural mineral makeup. I've tried mineral makeup before, but I wasn't really that into it. I just felt like it didn't really cover a lot of my pigmentation, my redness and my scarring that I have on my cheek. I do have dark under eyes as well, so hopefully this can cover it up. I'm not too sure. I've never seen a powder concealer, so I'm quite interested in how, this is going to work with my dark under eyes. So hopefully it will work. I mean, I'm going to be brutally honest. I'm not going to say I like it even if I don't. I want to be completely honest, and I've also let the brand know that I'm going to be honest. Hopefully you guys enjoy this tutorial and it will make you want to give this cosmetic line a chance. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to start off with some primer. They didn't give me any primer, so I'm just going to use my own. So today I'm going to use the Mary Kay. That's the primer there. So this is a silicone-based primer. So I'm using the mineral powder color in M2. Now I'm quite excited to see how this is going to cover up everything. So it just looks like that. And I'm using a flat end brush to put this on. So I'm just going to pack it on. I have a feeling that I may need to do this a few times with a few layers. So I've packed it on there quite a bit. All right, I'm going to start in the bottom section of my face. Here we go. So it's definitely the right color, which is good. It blended perfectly with my skin. Just going to add a bit more. Now, the only thing I'll say with mineral powder, it can get a little bit messy. I mean, it's all over my table at the moment, so that will probably be a downside to mineral makeup. But it is better for your skin, doesn't clog up your pores, and it's all natural as well from the earth, so that's a plus. Just adding some more. I'm gonna do this a few times because I like it a little bit more of a fuller coverage. But as you can see, it's definitely minimizing the redness in my face. And it's covering up those pimples quite well. And it's definitely light. It doesn't feel like I've got anything on my skin. Very, very breathable, which I like. And yeah, it's really soft to the touch. So that's a plus. Okay, now I'm going to try the concealer. I'll just show you the color. It's like a banana sort of color. So just dabbing that in. Here we go. Okay, so I noticed straight away that it definitely has a blurring effect. It's taking away my under eye darkness, which is ultimately what I'm looking for. Okay, so that's the one eye. Looks pretty good. It's definitely blurred out the darkness and helped with my lines here. All right, let's do the other eye. Again, feels really light under my eyes, doesn't feel heavy whatsoever, so that's definitely a bonus for me. Nothing worse than wearing makeup and feeling like you've got a whole cake of makeup on your face. The thing I really like about this is that normally when I use liquid concealer and then put powder over it, it's very drying under my eye and it has actually more creases than what I started with. And I just find with this one, it's not giving me any creases at all. Like, it's very smooth. It's a beautiful color. Yeah, it looks really good. I'm actually really pleased with the concealer. Now we're gonna go on to the bronzer. So it has a little bit of shimmer in there. Oh, that's a pretty color. It's a really nice bronze color, has a little bit of a red undertone to it. Looks really pretty, it has a really beautiful color. Okay, now I'm gonna try the blush. So this blush color is called Apricot. So that's it there. This has a little bit of a shimmer as well. As you can see, it's giving me a nice glow. This definitely gives your face a dewy look. It doesn't make it look dry, seeing as though it's, you know, powder. That's what it's like there with the blush. So I'm about to do some highlighter. They don't actually have a specific highlighter, but I thought I would use the eyeshadow as a highlighter. This is called Champagne, and it looks like that. Okay, let's see how this goes on. Oh, it's like a champagne color. So, well, it's called champagne. So there you go. Beautiful. Really like that. That's so pretty. Now I'm going to do my eyebrows. That's the powder there. I think this is the medium brown color. Wow, I really like that. Look how pretty that looks. It's not too dark, which is great. Nothing worse than having eyebrows that are too dark. So I think this color is perfect. And again, everything feels so light. Like I literally feel like I've got nothing on. Normally at this stage I would feel really cakey. So I like the fact that, you know, this is something that you could wear every day and it's not going to feel heavy and it's going to feel comfortable all day. So far, I'm liking everything I've used. No complaints. That's nice, look at that, beautiful. Okay, so I'm done with brows. Now I'm gonna do some eyeshadow. So I've got this color, it's called Autumn. It's a pinky rose sort of color. That's it there. I'm just gonna do the outer corner just to see the color. So cute. The second color for the inner corner, I'm going to use a color called Pink Shimmer. I'll just show you that as well. Oh, this is pretty. It's got like a purple undertone. Wow. Oh my god. It's so pigmented. I wouldn't think, you know, something like this mineral would be so pigmented. That's insane. Look at that. Wow. Not a lot of fallout too, which is good. Oh my god, I love. Such a pretty color. Alright, now we've got eyeliner. Let's give that a go. So vegan mineral pencil eyeliner. Oh, it's pretty dark too. Now we've got mascara. Now apparently this mascara you can actually use on false lashes as well, and extension lashes, so it won't, you know, clump it up. And I don't have any lashes on at the moment, I'm just going to put on my natural lashes, but yeah, apparently you can use it on lash extensions, so that's more of a bonus. My eyelashes are quite short at the moment actually, because when I had false lashes I decided to pull them out, which is a no-no. So they're just growing back at the moment. So they're quite short. But it's definitely not clumping up my lashes, which is awesome. Really pretty. I'm liking this so far. Oh my god. The last thing I've got are my lips. So I've got a lip liner, a crayon lipstick, and a lip gloss. So I'm just going to start off with the lip liner. It's kind of like a browny, shimmery kind of color, which is cute. Love. Oh my god, I love this color. It's like a natural brown. Now the color of the lip pencil is like a burgundy red. Smells delicious. It's a nice color. Nice and soft. Now my last product, last but not least, is the lip gloss. This is in color Nude. Everything smells so good. It's got like a minty smell. Well, there you go, guys. I'm done. Wow, I like the verdict. Definitely approved by me. I really enjoyed giving this a go. It's my first time trying this company called Earthlab, and I enjoyed it. I thought it was great. All the products went on really smoothly, softly. Coverage. What else can I say about it? I mean, it's beautiful. It's got great pigments, and the lipstick is awesome. So nice and soft. Everything's natural. It doesn't look like I'm wearing a lot of makeup. It's definitely really, really soft. Smells great. It doesn't feel heavy on the face at all. Like it's very, very, very light, but it has really good coverage as well. Definitely something you can wear every day as well, which is a bonus. And the biggest bonus, of course, is that it's all natural. Just again, I'll just go over the points just so you're aware. So it's a vegan company. It's not tested on animals, of course. No parabens and no toxins. All natural mineral makeup. And if you'd like to purchase any of these products and give them a go, you can head over to www.backtoorganic.com.au, and I'll also leave a link in the description box down below if you guys want to check that out. I like it. As a first impression, it's awesome. Like I think the only downside I would say is I do have a little bit of a mess on the table with all the powders, that it spills over a little bit. Honestly, other than that, I can't fault it whatsoever. I mean, everything else was perfect. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that little tutorial. Hopefully you guys will give this product a go as well. It's called Earthlab, so that's the name of it there. Let me know down below if you guys are going to give this product a go. That would be awesome. Thanks again for watching, you guys. Really appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed this video, and hopefully I'll see you on the next one. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe down below. I would really appreciate the support, and I will see you guys very soon. Thank you. Bye. Hey guys, I'm back. Just thought I'd give you a close-up look of the makeup. I'll just go closer to the light so you can see. That's the close-up. The eyes. I love this lip color. Awesome. See you guys soon. Bye.